Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding bread without oven. Start by tearing bread and soaking it in milk, then whisk in eggs, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Press the mixture into a pot lined with parchment and steam gently on low heat for 35 to 45 minutes. Let it rest 10 minutes, flip onto a plate, and serve warm with jam or cream. This method keeps the crumb moist and tender. Measure 4 cups of torn bread, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, and combine in a bowl. For a richer pudding bread, use cream instead of milk or add a mashed banana for flavor. Adjust sweetness to taste and add cinnamon or raisins as desired. If using stale bread, it will absorb liquids better and prevent soggy texture. Stir gently to avoid large crumbs. Choose the steaming method that fits your kitchen: a heavy pot with a rack, a slow cooker set to high, or a pressure cooker on low pressure. Line a heatproof pan with parchment, pour the mixture in, cover tightly, and keep water at a gentle simmer. Avoid high heat to prevent cracking and uneven cooking. Rest the pudding 10 minutes before unmolding to keep slices intact and presentation neat for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.